guys! So it's day 3 now. It's Thursday and I only have like honestly not that much left to do.
When you were leaving, I need you even more than I did before. You had the last word when you walked out the door. You drive me crazy, I want you to stay.
And also I'm going to run to Target and do a self-care shopping trip. Anyway, in terms of packing though, mostly get all the stuff done from my desk and then just a few, just like random whatever's left, like really, but I think like the desk is like maybe the biggest thing, I don't even know.
You'll be the death of me still, you're my medicine. Yeah, I need you, you light a fire just to put me out again. Still I need you.
So let me just show you what we have for the desk declutter. I didn't pack it up yet. This is what I'm keeping. We've got lots of different chargers. I probably don't need all of these, but I also like to have extra chargers just in case. This stuff is really useful, by the way. This is what I use to like tape up wires together. So this is super nice. My pens and highlighters, I don't really use them that much, but they might come in handy. A couple of other things like tape dispenser, good for like wrapping gifts, scissors, same thing. Notebooks, some papers, some things for like filming some of my YouTube things, and that's pretty much it. I unfortunately can't really declutter this section too much. I feel like this is always the messiest, like all the wires and all the tech things, because they don't like fold up nicely. They're not very aesthetic. But I honestly can't really get rid of a lot of these things because I do need them, like I do use them. I don't have that like satisfied feeling, but it'll do. And then over here I've got a pile of things to recycle. I am leaving quite a few things here. I put them all in here in this drawer. I'm gonna figure out what to do with these before I leave, but I'm noticing, this is what I'm doing right now. Basically, if I don't want to bring something with me, I'll put it all in one drawer. So over here I'm putting everything that I don't want in here. I did the same thing with my clothes, like all the clothes that I didn't want, or all of like the clothes from this furniture piece that I didn't want, I put in here. And I'm not just gonna leave it like this, I'm gonna figure out like what to do with it eventually, but at the moment it's just nice to kind of put it away in its own spot so I don't think about it, and it kind of just makes everything else a little bit easier to deal with and a little bit cleaner. Pardon the lighting. I thought that I would do a Target self-care shopping day, spree, whatever. It's night, shopping night, whatever you want to call it. I've been sort of trying to use up all the things I have. So I'm here to get stuff like shampoo, conditioner, deodorant, all that good stuff. So let's see what they have. I'm very excited because I feel like for a very long time I've just been using up old products, and now I finally have a chance to get something new. So let's go.
Every time you touch me, I can't control my body. Can't resist you, I'm giving up. I'm giving up. I am stuck in a dreaming. I can't help what I'm feeling. I don't know if I'm breathing when you are with me. My heart is beating. I am stuck in a dreaming. I can't help what I'm feeling. I don't know if I'm breathing when you are with me. My heart is beating.
I love the mini section at Target. It is just so cute. Like, oh my gosh. So cute. Ooh, this looks good. I really don't need a face wash, but I also could use a face wash. A new one, just for funsies. I need a new deodorant, but honestly, Native has been failing me a little bit, so I don't know what to get now. I kind of like the concept of a natural deodorant, you know? Palms of Maine looks pretty good, and it's pretty cheap compared to most natural deodorants. Like, you know, $12, $15. Like this one's only $5. You know what? I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna try it out, and if it doesn't work out, I'll get a different one, you know? I also really wanted the Naturium body wash, but I don't see it in this section. This Target can be a little confusing. Like, this body wash section is like very far away from like all the shampoos. It's in a different section of the store. So I don't know if like there's some there too, but I don't see the one that I want, which is kind of sad. I could always go to another Target, but I was just hoping. This is the one I have right now. I want to try something new. It's not bad. This looks nice. It's called a syrup. That sounds lovely. Let me grab this one. It's a little bit pricey, but I think it's gonna be nice. Also, how cute are these? Should I get them?
Baby, you are on my mind.
I found Naturium. That's how I'm gonna say it, okay. But they don't have the body wash. I mean, they just have this body lotion. I found this. I was looking for this. Should I take it?
What I'm feeling, I don't know if I'm breathing when you are with me. My heart is beating. I am stuck in a dreaming. I can't help what I'm feeling.
So I've got my things. Unfortunately, they didn't have the body wash that I wanted, and there were other options that I could have picked, but honestly, I really want that one, so I'm just gonna wait to get it. I also wanted a face moisturizer and possibly a cleanser, a face cleanser, but I didn't know exactly what I wanted, so I ended up not like being able to make a decision quick enough. If I had more time to like look around, I would have probably chosen something, or I should have just picked ahead of time. I think overall that was pretty good, but there's definitely another Target trip waiting for me for more like self-care things. I'm gonna be going to another Target anyway for furniture and like not furniture, but like home stuff shopping. I'm just trying to like treat myself a bit. I feel like I've had the same stuff forever, so I just want something a bit newer, and why not treat myself, you know, like I deserve it. All right, now that all of the desk things are done, gosh, I feel like I'm very much almost done. The other tricky thing about this is that I have to do laundry. My laundry builds up really quickly now that I've been doing hot yoga, because I go every day, so I have like lots of workout clothes, and I don't really want to bring dirty clothes with me. Like obviously I'll bring stuff if I have to, but if I can wash it. So tomorrow after I go to yoga in the morning, I'm gonna do the rest of my laundry. Make sure I remember to do that. I'm just gonna go around the room, see if there's anything remaining, and then anything that I don't think I should do today, I'll just finish up tomorrow.
Is the least that I can do. You know what I'm about. I am in this.
I was a bit hesitant to put away my like skincare things because that's something I actually use, but really like I'm not gonna use every single one of them. I only have 2 nights left here, so I'm just gonna pick like what I'm gonna use for these 2 nights and then pack everything else up. Alright guys, that's it for today. I think I'm just gonna tidy up, put everything in a pile, and finish up tomorrow. So tomorrow is like the last full day, and then I'll pack up like the things that I need to use like at night or in the morning right before heading out. So quick little recap of what we did. All the IKEA bags over here. Packed up my beauty things, I guess you could call them, here. My tech things, where I put them here. Bottom of this thing, we've also got like all my hats and scarves and stuff and hair stuff in there. So all that I have left to do is my actual makeup, the clothes that are hanging, as well as the laundry, so I have to wash the dirty clothes. For the most part, that's it, just like other little random bits and bobs here and there.
Waking up in my bed, you're still stuck in my head. I'm not